Thomas Sankara was born in 1949 in the rural north of what was then known as Upper Volta, a landlocked French colony. After undergoing military training abroad, Sankara was swept to power in a military coup led by his close friend Blaise Compaoré in 1983. He led an austere lifestyle, shunning luxury, moving into a run-down presidential palace with his family and reducing his own salary. Under his rule, Upper Volta was renamed Burkina Faso, meaning the land of honest men. During his 4 years as president, Sankara oversaw a series of reforms that saw the literacy rate rocket from 13% to 73%. He seized land from feudal landlords and gave it directly to poor farmers, boosting wheat production. But it was perhaps his actions on the world stage that earned him the nickname Africa's Che Guevara, lending him an iconic aura 34 years after his death. At the UN, Sankara spoke out against what he called imperialist wars and apartheid. He called on African nations to refuse to pay their debt to Western countries. And he challenged France, which had retained huge influence in many of its former colonies. But his critics say he repressed the opposition to maintain his stranglehold on power. Amnesty International alleges that political opponents were detained without trial and tortured. After only 4 years in power, Sankara was gunned down by soldiers during a coup, which left his friend Blaise Compaoré alone in power.